In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search in Telegram quickly and efficiently, whether you're looking for global channels, bots, public chats, or specific messages inside a conversation. This is a super useful feature if you use Telegram every day and want to find people, groups, or important messages without scrolling forever. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's look at how to search for global channels, bots, or chats in Telegram. Open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop and go to the top left corner where you'll see the search bar. Click or tap on that search bar, then type the name of the channel, bot, or public group you want to find. You can also search using a username, like @username, if you already know it. As you type, Telegram will start showing you matching results right away. If you're looking for something new that isn't already in your chat list, pay attention to the global search results. This section helps you discover public channels, bots, and chats that are outside your current conversations. Just browse through the list, compare the results, and select the one you want to open. This is one of the fastest ways to discover new Telegram communities or tools. Now let's move on to searching inside a specific chat or channel. If you want to find a message, keyword, file, or link inside an existing conversation, first open the chat, group, or channel you want to search in. Once you're inside, look for the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner of the chat window. Click that icon, and a search box will appear. Type the word or phrase you want to find, then press enter. Telegram will instantly highlight matching messages inside that chat. To move through the results one by one, use the up and down arrow buttons. This makes it much easier to jump between different mentions of the same keyword without manually scrolling through hundreds of messages. This is especially helpful in busy groups, long channel histories, or saved chats where you need to find something specific fast. A quick tip is to use short, clear keywords when searching, because that usually gives you the most accurate results. Also, if you're searching for a username or bot, make sure you type it correctly so Telegram can find the right account. And if you're searching inside a chat, remember that the search only applies to that specific conversation unless you return to global search. So to recap, use the top left search bar for global searches and use the magnifying glass inside a chat for finding messages in that conversation. Once you get used to both methods, navigating Telegram becomes much faster and way more convenient. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.